Hey, welcome back. If this is your first time here, Auto Form Builder is a free WordPress plugin that lets you create beautiful professional forms with a simple drag and drop builder and zero coding required. In this video, I'll show you how to create an address form that works for visitors from any country in the world, not just the US. If your website serves a global audience, this one is for you. Let's get into it. If you haven't installed Auto Form Builder yet, check the link in the description. We have a full installation video to get you started. Open Auto Form Builder from your WordPress admin menu and open any existing form or create a new one. In the left sidebar, find the address field and drag it onto your form canvas. Click on it to open the field settings. The first thing you'll see is the address type preset. This is a really useful feature. Instead of configuring everything manually, you just pick a preset and the plugin automatically sets up the right components and labels for that region. You have 6 options: International, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, European Union, and Custom. For this video, we're focusing on the International preset, which is designed to work with addresses from any country worldwide. But we also have dedicated videos for the US, Canada, and UK presets. Links are in the description if you need those instead. And if none of the presets fit your needs, choose Custom. This lets you manually control every single component yourself. Now let's select International and go through the address components. These are the parts of the address you want to include in your form. Address line 1 is always required. This is the main street address. Address line 2 is optional, useful for apartment numbers, suite numbers, or unit numbers. City is required. State, province, region is available as an optional field. And because this is the International preset, it uses a flexible text field that works for any country, whether they call it a state, province, prefecture, or region. Zip postal code covers all formats worldwide. Country gives your visitors a drop-down to select their country. And company organization is available if you need it for business forms. For a true international form, I recommend enabling all components except company organization unless you need it. Make sure country is checked. This is the most important field for international forms. Now scroll down to country settings. Here you can set a default country. So if most of your visitors are from a specific country, it will be pre-selected for them. Or leave it as no default and let the user select their own country. Once everything is configured, click Save Form, copy the shortcode, and paste it on any page where you need the address form. That's it. A fully international address form that works for visitors from anywhere in the world, set up in just a few minutes. If you haven't installed Auto Form Builder yet, it's completely free on WordPress.org. The link is in the description. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below and we'll help you out. See you in the next video.